Unity Day is once a year. It's where the kids come together. So this year was a little bit unique in that we had them they banded together with their links in the classroom, and then they're out here in the mall area celebrating a unified effort. And what better than for us, it's extra special because it's United High School, we're orange, and so it's just a day that we come together and unite as one family, one Longhorn team, and just make an effort that we're here for one another no matter what, and we just want to unite as proud Longhorns. The Links was something new this year. One of our counselors came together and they had this great idea, and so we said, let's make it happen. And so that's where this is coming from. It was a unified effort from our teachers, our students, and our administrative staff to get it going. So we're out here in the mall, first time ever. Not our first time celebrating Unity Day, but definitely the Links, yes.
Unity Day is a day of acceptance, of inclusion, of bullying prevention. We want them to understand the importance of acceptance, of uniting, coming together as one, and being inclusive with everyone. We're wanting the students to come together, and the Links are a symbol of that coming together, uniting, and being accepting towards one another.